Hey YouTube, we're on the flight. So we're going back to Pittsburgh, our hometown. We're getting behind.
Back. We're really not supposed to be quite up yet. Okay.
Okay, folks, we have our family boarding now, families with small children. Also, any A-listers or A-list preferred?
Attention passengers, check your belongings. If you left your watch at the TSA checkpoint, please respond back to the TSA desk.
Okay, so over there, just I clean my hands.
Today's what, Saturday? Oh, for this now. We're about to pick up on 42.7. What's the last
What? Wait. Oh. I thought we had to wait, Mom.
during this
Have mine. This one. It's Pittsburgh. Alright, so wait a second, guys. I want to stop the camera and then, well, I understand in a second.
For your safety, please report any suspicious items or behavior and do not leave your luggage unattended. Unattended items will be impounded.
Oh, wait a minute, we can watch these. There's a flight. Suitcases. Get a little closer. Mom, I'll be right here just looking at suitcases for a second. Yeah, you can tell.
Attention passengers, check your wrist. A watch was left behind the checkpoint. Missing your watch. Return to identifying claim.
Sorry. Excuse me. Sneezing allergies. Our luggages.
All right, folks, moving on to Group B, 1 to 30, for Pittsburgh, 831. Group B, 1 to 30.
Attention Mayor, if you have misplaced your iPad, please use your clear gate C38. If you misplaced your iPad, please use your clear gate C38.
Part 2 is next, and it's going to be baggage claim, and then
You may or may not get together. You'll be okay either way.
That's okay. I don't mind.
Okay.
I may record to go. We'll see. So, for 5 minutes.
Alberto Calientes, please pick up the next page telephone. Alberto Calientes.
Now, we'll continue with the B group, 31 to 60. We'll start your lineup for our C boarding group on the left-hand side of the poles.
There we go. Yes.
Make sure you take that off your shoulders so you don't fall.
Okay, all set. Now we're gonna head back. Here we go, guys.